count.
Good.
One, two, start.
Assalamu alaikum. Good day, Prof. Good day, colleagues. My name is Dr. Fatima Habib Ibrahim, a PhD student of Sustainable Development Center. I'm here to present my thesis with the title Understanding Deposit Insurance in Nigeria. The importance of deposit insurance is for safeguarding depositors' funds. Deposit insurance protects depositors' funds, ensuring that their savings remain secure even in the event of bank failures. Another importance is promoting trust in the banking system. By safeguarding depositors' funds, insurance fosters trust among individuals, encouraging them to use banking services confidently. Another importance is financial stability and inclusivity. Deposit insurance plays a crucial role in maintaining financial services and promoting inclusivity in economies and informal systems. The challenges we have in Nigeria are the low financial literacy. Low financial literacy among the population hampers understanding and trust in deposit insurance programs. We also have lack of trust, which is a significant lack of trust in banking institutions that affects the adoption of deposit insurance among citizens. Limited access to services. Banking services are often limited in rural areas, making it difficult for people to access deposit insurance. We also have economic instability. In Nigeria, economic instability undermines the effectiveness of deposit insurance and financial inclusion efforts. Our main research objectives are to evaluate how deposit insurance enhances financial inclusion in developing economies. It also investigates the relationship between deposit insurance and systemic stability within the banking sector. We also want to analyze how deposit insurance affects depositors' confidence and banking participation. Individual challenges and limitations in the implementation of deposit insurance in developing economies. Our main research questions are to study how deposit insurance influence financial inclusion in developing economies. What role deposit insurance play in promoting systemic stability within the banking system? We also want to know how does deposit insurance affect depositors' confidence and willingness to engage with banks? And also, what are the main challenges faced by deposit insurance schemes in achieving the objectives in developing economies? The significance of the research are the role of deposit insurance. Will highlight how deposit insurance can enhance financial inclusion and contribute to systemic stability in Nigeria. We also have the practical recommendation, which is finding how actionable recommendations for improving deposit insurance scheme, particularly in the sub-Saharan Africa. We also have the impact of developing countries, which can only for Nigeria, but developing countries seeking financial stability. To define the study scope, we have the deposit insurance importance, which focuses on how deposit insurance enhances financial inclusion and boosts participation in banking in Nigeria. We also have the role of NDIC, which will evaluate the critical role of the NDIC in fostering trust and stability within the Nigerian banking system, while the financial inclusion aspect studies how we assess the impact of deposit insurance on improving financial inclusion across Nigeria. The review of the existing literature is Deposit Insurance Overview, which serves as a safety net for depositors, promoting confidence in the banking system and enhancing financial inclusion. We also have the challenges of moral hazards, which identify the moral hazard as a key challenge where insured entities may make excessive risks impacting financial stability. We also have the regulatory framework necessity, which is a regulatory framework for the effectiveness of the insurance schemes, particularly in developing economies. The methodology of the overview is we have the mixed method research, where we are combining both qualitative and quantitative research methods for comprehensive analysis. We also are going to use the qualitative method, which will include interviews, focus groups to gather in-depth analysis into the participants regarding deposit insurance. We also have the quantitative approach, which will involve surveys and financial statistics in evaluation of the impact of the deposit insurance. Our expected outcomes can be enhanced financial inclusion, demonstrating that deposit insurance can effectively increase access to formal financial services, encouraging more people, especially in the rural areas, to open bank accounts and engage with the banking sector. We also have the improved trust in the banking system. This increases the awareness and trust in formal banking services, particularly among the unbanked population, especially the rural areas. While we have the increased public awareness emphasizing the importance of financial literacy and public awareness campaigns, a lot of population about the benefit of the protection of depositors' funds thereby enhances its impact on finance.